Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing essentials: an active email, a secure password, and network access. On your Xbox 360, go to the dashboard and open the Xbox Live or Sign-in area. Once there, choose Create New Account. Enter your email and create a gamer tag. Pick something unique because it identifies you online. Make sure to set a memorable but strong password and confirm your birth date correctly. This controls account permissions and age settings. Once done with the initial form, you'll verify your email address, check your inbox, and click the verification link. This activates the account. Then return to the Xbox 360 to finish profile setup. Customize your avatar, set privacy and online safety options, and decide communication permissions. When selecting region and billing info, make sure the country matches your payment method. If you don't want to buy right now, skip adding a card, and you'll finish by signing into your new Microsoft account on the console and downloading or syncing your profile. This pulls achievements and friends. If sign-in fails, make sure your email was verified, your console is online, and your password is correct. Try restarting the console and router. If you still can't access the account, use the password reset process at account. Microsoft. Com from a PC or phone once recovered. Sign back in and confirm your profile appears correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.